Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I did not even dry my hair yet, thought of giving the introduction first and then blow dry in front of the camera. I will tell you later that why I am doing like this. So in this video, you'll be watching how to make rosemary hair mask, how to use it, did it smell and how is my hair on the second day. Now without further ado, let's start the video. So for this mask, we are going to take one onion first. As you are watching here, the black dust which is there on the onion, it is called as mold. It is a kind of fungus that comes from the soil. So I would suggest to clean the area and not include that in the mask. Even when you consume any onion, always make sure that the mold is not there and you clean it properly. I know that you know this, but I felt like I should mention it anyway. We are going to cut it in pieces. Put it in a grinding jar. Now add rosemary dried leaves. You can even add the normal leaves as well. But I am taking the dried one because I don't have any plant, a real plant. So I bought this from Amazon. I'll mention all the links in my description box below. Now I'm going to take 2 spoons of it. Next is aloe vera gel. I do have the real plant, but so many people messaged me that they don't have the plant and asked me to show any alternative. So that's why in here I'm using the gel, which you can get in nearby market. I'm taking 4 drops of it. You can even add the real leaf by scooping out the gel from it. Then 2 spoons of castor oil is needed, 4 to 5 drops of almond oil, then 3 spoons of coconut oil. Grind it very well. You can see that the consistency is not runny and hence can be easily applied on the scalp. फिर बाद में उसको एक बाउल में ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए. Then obviously our detangling process starts, combing from bottom to top. I have mentioned about this in every video of mine. Then scalp massaging. Only in small circular motion. You can even comb before we apply the mask. This will stimulate and hence it becomes easy for the mask to get penetrated into the scalp, which helps in healthy hair growth. Now comes the hair mask. We have to evenly apply it on the scalp. Concentrate more on it since our hair growth depends on it. If you want to apply it on your hair, just double the ingredients I have used in the mask. So let me tell you why I used onion. Because the nutrients in it will nourish the hair follicles, which will increase the volume, shine and improve hair strength. The extra nutrition may also minimize breakage and thinning, as well as conditioning. Using onion also promotes new hair growth. Now coming to rosemary. We all know that it is so beneficial for our hair and everyone is including this in their DIYs nowadays. But let me tell you that in my hair journey, from the last 3 to 4 years, I haven't used this rosemary. That time nobody mentioned about this or maybe I was not aware of this. I have used only onion hair mask without the rosemary leaves. So if you don't have then it's okay, but if you have then definitely add this. It has worked so well on my hair and I believe that it will work for you as well. It has improved the frizziness of my hair, changed the texture, nourishes the hair cuticles and strengthens the follicles. I always mention people that the journey I have gone through was not that easy. It was not a miracle. I worked for it, took a lot of care. Still I struggle with some problems like hair fall and dandruff issues, but I can say that it has become a lot better than before. It's not that thing, but I'm satisfied. Anyways, I would suggest you to use this homemade mask and kindly tell me how it worked for you, because your opinion also matters and I'm also curious to know the performance of this mask on your hair. So after you apply the paste, you can use the DIY rosemary hair oil on the length of the hair or you can even use it on the scalp. I'll mention the link of the homemade hair oil video in my description box below. I'm gonna cover it with satin cover and keep it for 1 hour and then wash. So I washed my hair and got myself ready for the shoot and to show directly in front of the camera to see how my hair is looking after head bath. So now, only to show this to you guys, I have decided to give the introduction on my partly dry hair. I have recorded this to tell you that some onion particles will get stuck on your hair. I'm particularly mentioning this because you might face this and I don't want to create any confusion or distress about the mask I have made. You don't have to worry about the particles getting stuck. You just have to blow dry and it will come off all by itself. Or you can even sit under the high-speed fan and gently detangle your hair with fingers or comb. So this is before and this is right after the hair drying process. Apply this mask once in a week. Remember that you should not apply this on oily hair. What happens is the mask won't get into your scalp because the oil has already taken its place. So apply it on dry and clean scalp. Now it is like 90% dry. I'm gonna completely let my hair dry and shoot for some reels and get back to you. So 1.5 hours is over and this is how my hair looks now. As you can see, it has given a nice shine on my hair. I did not even apply any serum after the hair dry. So guys, finally I got my mic here and I'm feeling so happy that I'm able to speak in front of the camera. Anyways, this is completely my natural hair. I did not even style it yet and this is my second day. And coming to the smelling part, there is no such smell coming from the hair but a little bit from the scalp. I even asked my husband. He said that until and unless someone comes near to your head and smells it, they might get that onion, a little bit of onion kind of smell. But on the whole, it is not smelling at all and you are good to go even if you have any kind of event tomorrow and you want your hair to shine. So this is kind of a mask which you can go for without any hesitation. I don't know how this mic is working. If you hear any kind of noises coming from behind, kindly ignore that. I'm still working on this. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you really like this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below and I will definitely answer you all. And also mention what you want to see in my next video. If you're the one who watches this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification button so that you're notified whenever I have a new video up. Also share this with your friends, family and whoever wants to see my journey or whoever is facing the same issues that I have faced before. Don't forget to like the video if you really liked it. Also do follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of videos on hairstyles. And I recently started product reviews where I share my experiences on it. And join the broadcast channel on Instagram where I share my hair and skin journey as well. And post few tips I follow. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and have peace.